Alright, I'm back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have is another unboxing and first impressions video for everyone. Real quick though, before I get started, I just want to take the time to thank the Reviewers Club that I'm a part of, and Anburt, the manufacturer of this Bluetooth headphones that we're about to take a look at. Now, so I just wanted to throw that thank you out there. Now, before we get into the box, this is going to be my unboxing and first impressions of the Anburt Bluetooth stereo earphones. Alright, so this came via Amazon and it was packaged up very nicely, so kudos Amazon. And it was in a really big box for such a tiny package, but I guess they had to make sure that it was securely protected. And then we have this box here, so let's go ahead and get into the box here. See if I could do so without breaking this outer sleeve, which I don't think is gonna happen. See if I can do this. Struggles. Why everybody gotta make such tight sleeves, yo? Okay, I already messed it up. It's a wrap. Because I already messed up. I saw the tear. So, taking off the sleeve ever so abruptly. Really nice packaging though. And then we have this inner box here. See, looks like we got an open tab here. Yep. If I can pull that out. There we go. And then inside of this box here, we have the earphones themselves. And I gotta tell you guys, they look really good. The black and red looks really good. I kinda really like that. So, pulling them out underneath the headphones, we got all the goodies here. So, got the ear tips, got multiple sizes. Looks like we got some mediums and some smalls. And I think, no, we got some larges and some smalls. It looks like some mediums come on the earbuds themselves. What else we got here? Got the micro USB charging cable. So that's pretty cool. And what's this is? Got our user manual here. So, nothing else in the box. Really nice box. Might hold on to this. Throw this off to the side. Let's check out this user manual. All it really says on it is Bluetooth wireless headset U8. And then, okay, got some really tiny handwriting. Really tiny handwriting. Let me zoom in and see if I can get it nice and crispy for you guys to read. And then we're going to go ahead and try out the earphones. So let me do this here. Okay. Trying out a new angle today, so y'all gonna have to please forgive me. Alright, I don't know how clear that is. I don't know how well you guys could see that. I may have zoomed in a little too far. Little too far, little too much. Okay, let's try that. Alright, so that looks good. So, we pretty much got our standard stuff. Got a little welcome. This is your Bluetooth headset. And it says it supports Bluetooth 4.1. So that's nice to see. Not 5.0, but it's pretty good. And then we got some diagram here. And button controls. So it says power on, and it tells you how to do that. And it looks like the power button is also the multi-function button. Power off, put in dependent mode, answering phone calls, ending phone calls, rejecting phone calls, making or redialing a phone call, canceling or ending, play pause, skip next track, volume up and down. So a bunch of stuff here. Then we just have what comes in the package. So we got the micro, well, it tells you there, micro USB charging port. And it says this guy will take 1 to 2 hours to reach a full charge. Okay. And it says after a full charge, the headset is with the best performance. So it looks like we got some bad translation here. So I think they meant to say only with a full charge will the headset get the best performance. So it is what it is. Sometimes with these brands you get some bad translations. Then we got some volume controls, got some LED light functions, steps to pair the headset with a phone. They actually laid that out. So yeah, we're gonna go over that stuff in the full review. Multi-function, so maybe you can pair this guy up to more than one device at a time. On this side, gotta learn how to use the headset, so on and so forth. Alright, I'm just gonna see if I can get a close-up on this user manual, so if y'all want to pause and read, you can. So this is one side. Let me pan through. Start on one side here and pan through. Okay, flip it over again. Start on one side and pan through. Alright, let's keep it moving. So that's the user manual for you guys and gals. Throw that off to the side. Take all these plugs out the way here. Throw that off to the side. And here are the earphones themselves. So let's get it out of its little plastic display thing. Or styrofoam. Cardboard, my bad. I don't know my materials today. And here are the headphones themselves. So, real quick, these are the ones, it look like these are the ones with the wings. And this is just for decoration here. So it looks like all of your controls are going to be on this earphone, along with your volume up and down. Don't know how well you guys can see that, but volume up and down, multifunction power button. And then this is your charge port, it looks like. Yep. That's your micro USB charge port there. So, good stuff, good stuff. And now, real quick now, before we wrap the video up, let me throw the earphones on and see how they feel in my ears. Excuse me guys, 1 second. Alright, so let's just pop this in. Oh, that went in easily. Oh. Oh yeah. Oh, and it's a snug fit too. It's a really snug fit. Let's move around a little bit. Oh yeah, these ain't going nowhere. These ain't going nowhere. Oh, these might be the bomb for working out. Going on runs. Okay, so the earphones fit very nicely in the ears. And I gotta say, first impressions, guys, I'm liking the color scheme. I'm liking the black and red, or the black with the red trims. Don't really have any logos on this guy, so that's kind of a surprise. But it's nice. It's nice. You know, similar to the Essential, you don't need any logos. But again, that has been my unboxing and first impressions. Now this guy should probably take me about a week and a half to do before I'm ready to do the full review. So y'all know how that goes. We're going to go through everything. We're going to go through steps to pair. I'm going to see if I can bust out my lavalier CQ microphone and see if we can give you guys a proper sound demo of how this guy sounds. And I'm going to let you guys know if this is worth the pickup. But if this video has intrigued you already, please be sure to check out the video description for links on where to pick up these bad boys here. Down in the video description is going to be like a one-stop shop. So if the video has intrigued you enough to be like, hey, well, I don't want to wait for the full review, I want to pick them up now, check out the video description. As always, guys and gals, if you enjoyed the video, please help me out and give it a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you want to see more raw, uncut content like this, please hit the subscribe button down below and click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you get notified when I post new videos. And as always, if you guys and gals know anyone out there looking for some high quality performing devices and products at some really great prices, please share my channel, because I'm doing this for everyone, because we all deserve the best. Alright, you guys and gals, I will catch you guys in the next video, and I hope everyone has a great day. Also, I tried out a new angle today, so please let me know what you think. Please let me know how the video looks, and please let me know how the audio sounds. Alright, have a great day. I will catch you guys and gals in the next video. Peace.